In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have your Monday.com board talking directly to your Teams workspace so updates, reminders, and key changes show up where your team already collaborates. Before we start, it helps to be signed into both platforms in the same browser and to know which board and Teams channel you want to connect. If your organization manages app permissions, make sure you're allowed to connect external apps. Start by opening an existing project board in Monday.com. Pick the board where your team tracks tasks or projects. The integration will act on this specific board. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the page for the Integrate option. This opens Monday.com's Integration Center, where you can connect your board to a variety of tools. Inside the Integration Center, use the search bar and type Teams. This is the quickest way to filter all available apps and find the Microsoft Teams connector. You should see Microsoft Teams appear as an option. Go ahead and select it to open the set of ready-made automation recipes designed to link your board to Teams. You'll now see a list of functions, often called recipes. These are pre-built automations like sending a channel message when an item's status changes, notifying a person in Teams when a new item is created, or posting an update when a deadline is approaching. Pick the function that best fits how you want information to flow between your board and Teams. If you're unsure, choose the one that will provide the clearest, least noisy updates for your team, and you can always return and adjust later. After you pick a function, you'll be prompted to apply it to your board. This is where you fill in the specifics, which column or status triggers the action, which team or channel in Microsoft Teams should receive the message, and any other fields the recipe requires. Take a moment to match these settings to your workflow. For example, if you only want notifications for high priority items, choose the exact status or group that indicates priority. Clear, targeted settings will prevent unnecessary pings in Teams. When your selections look right, click Connect. This begins the secure link between Monday.com and Microsoft. A sign-in window will open asking for your Microsoft account. Enter the account you use for Teams. If a pop-up doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow it for this page. Then try Connect again. Using your work account ensures you can see your teams and channels during setup. After entering your account, click Next to confirm. Depending on your organization, you may see standard prompts as the connection is established. Keep the browser tab open until the process completes. This step creates the bridge that lets Monday.com send the right updates into Teams on your behalf. When the connection finishes, you'll be brought back to your Monday.com board with the integration window still open. You should now see your chosen function configured and linked to your board. If there's a toggle for the automation, make sure it's on. From this point forward, your board and Teams are connected as defined by the recipe you selected, so relevant updates will flow automatically to the channel or person you specified. To get the most out of this integration, keep your board columns consistent and descriptive, and refine your recipe choices if the notifications feel too frequent or not specific enough. You can revisit the Integration Center at any time to add, edit, or disable a function, and you can repeat this process to connect additional boards or channels as your workflow evolves. That's it. Your Monday.com project is now integrated with Microsoft Teams, giving your team timely, actionable updates right where collaboration happens. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you set this up on your own board.